and welcome back to my channel. If you see me with this look, it's because I started creating my Halloween looks for my Instagram. I take pictures of these looks and I tell you guys all the items that I used to create this. So that's why you see me like this. And since it's October, spooky season, I had to do the video with the look that I had already on. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Base Box for the month of October. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription membership. I have the base box, which is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. And after this, they have the premium, which was $35, but starting November, it's going to be $39.99 for existing members, and for new members, it's just gonna be $39.99. Okay, and they did increase that price, and they mentioned that new things are happening, which means that you're getting more first access to even more hot brands. New limited edition boxes coming soon. More brands take over boxes like Fenty. New features and perks coming soon. Extended access to Unreal deals, and it's going to be the premium is 6 full-size items. So enough talking, and let's get to the unboxing and see what Boxycharm sent me in PR this month. Okay, so here's a box, and it's something different this month. It's all black. They don't have the red right here in the box. Maybe that's because of the theme, which is October, spooky season. And the card for this month is the theme, and it's called Spellbound. So let's see what it has inside. It has some information here. It says Boxy breaking news, add-ons and pop-up got makeover. Get members only access to Unreal deals at a fraction of retail prices. So October 11th, the drop shop, formerly add-ons, up to 70% off retail. Then they have on November 8th, the mega drop shop, formerly pop-up. And it's only 4 times a year. It's up to 80% off retail price. And lastly, early November is Boxy Beauty Batch. Says don't miss this. Access our annual holiday blowout sale to shop exclusive products and brand favorites. Special deals drop all month long. So yeah, so this is all happening in upcoming days and months. So keep an eye out for that, because the pop-up has amazing sales with high looks brands that you won't want to miss. So let's see the items that I got this month, and the prices are here. So I will be reading it about the description of the product and the price of it as I get out the product, okay? So the first thing I have here, I'm super excited, is from the brand Julep Beauty. It's a makeup remover towelette. It says what's in it: pore refining witch hazel, cleansing, 100% biodegradable. And I actually haven't had makeup wipes in a while. I haven't purchased it, so I'm glad I got it because I do need it. And let's see the price of this. It says that it's a new launch and it's $20. Next, we have from Glow Recipe. And this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's the ultimate glow plus brightening, and it says that it's a highlight serum. So this is the packaging, which is super cute. All of the packaging are always like super adorable. I love that. And this is $34 is the price of this. So let me read a little bit about what this product actually does. It says that this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica glitter or pearls. It creates a lightweight buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin type. Use as a hydrating highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. Okay, so that's exciting. Next, we have this Lash and Brow Duo Black Mascara from the brand Tint. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So let's open her up. Okay, so like it says, it's a dual-sided mascara and brow gel. So I'm excited to give this a try. And it says that it's $29. Next, we have this, which is from the brand Julep Beauty double-sided wing stamp liner. So it's a double-sided liner. On one side you have the tip for the liner, and then on the other side you have the wing stamp. So this is pretty cool and very convenient for those people like me that does not know how to do like the perfect wing line. This is really helpful for that. And it's actually new brand to Boxy, and it's $22. And I believe this the owner of this company, it's an influencer, a makeup influencer. So that's pretty cool that they included her in this box. And the last item is a palette, and it's super cute, and especially for the fall. It's from Ace Beauty, and it's Falling For You. Super cute details of the leaves. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And let's open to see the colors inside. Okay, wow, this is stunning. It's the perfect colors for the fall. It has matte, glitters, the shimmers. It is just stunning, and I can't wait to use it and create a fall look. So this is beautiful. And the price of this is $34.99, so that's just amazing. Now let me add up everything to see the full value of this box. So now the glow recipe is $34. Then we have the Ace Beauty palette Falling For You, $34.99. The Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo, $29. The Julep Beauty Wing Stamp Liner, $22. And the Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes, $20. For a total of $139.99. That's just incredible to get great quality products that you will get to try different things for only a price of $25, and that's just great. Now if you guys want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I have a link that I will be adding it in my description. So if you guys want to use that link, please feel free to do so. I do get a small affiliate percentage out of the subscriptions. If you want to do that, I'll be very happy with it. If not, that's just fine. And thank you very much, Boxycharm, for sending me this amazing box. Thank you guys for watching this video with me and this Halloween look that I did. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!